The factory steering wheel found in BMW E Chassis vehicles was extremely well designed for its era, offering a premium appearance with features such as multifunction controls and optional paddle shifters. However, after years of use, the factory leather and rubberized materials begin to show their age, with peeling, scratching, fading, and loss of overall grip. While the original design was excellent, many enthusiasts want something that feels more connected, more personalized, and more representative of their driving style. Today, we'll be installing a BAVMODS custom handmade steering wheel featuring genuine carbon fiber, perforated Napa leather, a directional racing stripe, custom leather trimming, and full heated steering wheel connectivity. With thousands of customization combinations available through our website, every steering wheel can be built around the exact preferences of the owner. This build features a sporty, flat-bottom carbon fiber design with red accents to complement the vehicle, while adding a completely refreshed look and feel to the interior. Before beginning the installation, the first step is disconnecting the vehicle battery. Open the trunk and locate the battery in the rear corner of the vehicle. Using a 10mm tool, loosen the negative terminal and carefully remove it from the battery post. With the battery safely disconnected, we can begin removing the factory steering wheel. The first step is removing the airbag assembly. Located on each side of the steering wheel underneath the paddle shifters are small release openings that allow access to the internal retaining clips. Using a flathead screwdriver, or preferably a T20 Torx screwdriver, insert the tool into the opening and position it at approximately a 45-degree angle while applying inward pressure. This releases the metal retaining clip holding the airbag assembly in place. Once the first side releases, continue pulling outward on the airbag assembly to prevent the clip from locking back into position. Repeat the same process on the opposite side by applying pressure inward while pulling the airbag outward. Once both clips are released, the airbag can be carefully pulled forward, giving us access to the wiring connections behind it. The airbag assembly is connected through two wiring harnesses, typically one green and one black connector. To remove them, use a plastic pry tool and lift upward on the front portion of the connector where the locking tab is located. Avoid pulling from the rear, as the front section is designed with a groove that allows the retention clasp to be safely lifted. Once both connectors are released, remove the airbag assembly and place it safely to the side. For E Chassis BMWs equipped with heated steering functionality, there will also be an additional connection between the clock spring and the heated steering control module. Simply disconnect this harness and move it aside until the new steering wheel is installed. Now we can remove the main steering wheel retention bolt. On this vehicle, we'll use a 16mm socket with an extension and breaker bar for additional leverage. Hold the steering wheel firmly with one hand while loosening the bolt counterclockwise with the other. Once the initial torque has been broken free, the bolt can be removed by hand. The final connections holding the steering wheel to the vehicle are the remaining clock spring harnesses. Use a flathead screwdriver to release the retention clip on the first connector. Then pull it free from the clock spring. There is also an additional connector for the multifunction steering wheel controls. Simply disconnect this harness and the factory steering wheel can now be carefully removed from the vehicle. At BAVMODS, every steering wheel is built around the idea that no two builds need to be the same. Each wheel can be customized around the exact style and preferences of the owner. Before installing the new steering wheel, several components from the factory wheel need to be transferred over. These include the multifunction buttons, paddle shifters, factory electronics, airbag mounting hardware, and the heated steering wheel control module if equipped. To begin transferring the electronics, we'll first remove the grounding screw attached to the steering wheel assembly. Using the correct Torx bit, remove the screw and set it aside. Next, remove the screws securing the metal airbag mounting plate. Once all fasteners are removed, the electronics assembly can be carefully separated from the factory steering wheel. During this process, pay attention to the tension springs located behind the mounting screws. These springs are important because they help the airbag assembly seat correctly during reinstallation. Be sure to transfer them over to the new steering wheel. The next component we'll transfer is the paddle shifter assembly. Since the paddle shifters connect directly into the multifunction button assembly, the first step is removing the factory trim panel. Using a Torx screwdriver, remove the screws securing the trim panel to the steering wheel. Once loosened, carefully separate the trim panel from the steering wheel assembly. With the trim panel removed, disconnect the paddle shifter wiring connectors from the multifunction buttons. Then remove the Torx screws holding each paddle shifter in place. The final component we'll transfer is the heated steering wheel control module if equipped. This module is typically secured using plastic clips. Carefully release the clips, remove the module from the factory wheel, disconnect the electrical connector, and prepare it for installation on the new steering wheel. Before installing the new wheel, take this opportunity to clean the clock spring and steering wheel mounting surface. Over time, dust and debris can build up in this area, so using a microfiber towel will ensure a clean mounting surface and proper installation. At this point, all factory components have been transferred over to the new BAVMODS steering wheel. The paddle shifters are secured, the airbag mounting plate is installed, the grounding cable is connected, and all electronics are ready for installation. One important detail on E Chassis BMW models is the factory multifunction button assembly. Although aftermarket buttons may look identical, the internal wiring configuration can be different. The original buttons must be transferred over because they allow the paddle shifters and steering wheel controls to communicate correctly with the vehicle. Before installing the wheel, make sure the clock spring is properly centered and aligned. Carefully slide the new custom carbon fiber steering wheel onto the steering assembly while routing the heated steering connector through the center opening. Once the wheel is fully seated, reconnect the factory heated steering wiring to the control module transferred from the original steering wheel. From here, the heated steering control module connects directly into the BAVMODS heated steering wiring harness. One of the biggest advantages of our heated steering wheel systems is the true plug-and-play functionality. Instead of requiring customers to modify factory wiring or create their own solutions, BAVMODS builds these harnesses specifically for each application, allowing for a cleaner and simpler installation. Once the heated steering connections are complete, reconnect the main clock spring harness by sliding it into position until it locks securely into place. Next, install the included custom BAVMODS trim panel and connect the paddle shifters. After the paddle shifter wiring is connected, reconnect the multifunction button harness back into the clock spring so all steering wheel controls function properly. With all electrical connections complete, we can clean up the wiring. Carefully route the heated steering wiring and remaining electronics underneath the trim panel, keeping everything organized and away from the airbag mounting area. Once everything is positioned correctly, secure the trim panel into place using the correct Torx screws. Tighten each screw evenly to ensure the panel is fully secured to the steering wheel assembly. At this point, the new BAVMODS steering wheel is almost completely installed. The final step for securing the wheel is reinstalling the main retention bolt. Begin by hand threading the bolt into place until it is fully seated. Hold the steering wheel straight while tightening the bolts securely. Torque specifications can vary depending on the BMW model, so always follow the recommended factory specifications for your specific vehicle. Perform one final inspection. Confirm that the paddle shifters are installed correctly. All wiring harnesses are connected. The airbag mounting plate and grounding screw are secure, and the heated steering control module is fully connected. With everything checked, we're ready to reinstall the airbag assembly. Depending on the BMW model, the airbag system may use a single-stage, dual-stage, or triple-stage configuration. On this E Chassis vehicle, there are two main connectors, one green and one black. Before connecting them, make sure the locking tabs are fully raised into the unlocked position. Align the connectors correctly and press them into place until the retention clips lock securely. Now we can carefully position the airbag assembly back onto the steering wheel. Before fully securing the airbag, we're going to test the installation and verify that all functions are working correctly. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, turn on the vehicle electronics, and start the engine. Once powered on, test all steering wheel functions, including the multifunction buttons, volume controls, and other steering wheel commands. Next, place the vehicle into drive and test the paddle shifters by manually cycling through the upshifts and downshifts. This confirms that the steering wheel electronics, paddle shifter connections, and vehicle communication systems are functioning properly. Once everything has been verified, turn off the vehicle and press the airbag firmly into place until it clicks securely into position. The installation is complete. The new BAVMODS Custom Steering Wheel completely changes the look and feel of this BMW interior, bringing a more modern, performance-focused design while maintaining the functionality and integration expected from the factory. From the genuine carbon fiber construction with ceramic protection and UV resistance, to the custom center trims, flat bottom designs, and premium perforated Napa leather, every BAVMODS steering wheel is handcrafted with attention to detail and built to become the centerpiece of your interior. Thank you for watching this BAVMODS installation video. If you enjoyed this build, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more BMW upgrades, installation guides, and product showcases. And if you're ready to build your own custom BAVMODS steering wheel, use the promo code in the video description below for a discount on your custom steering wheel order.